What's up, YouTube? So today I'm back with my new haircut. Okay, with Licia, my sister.
What's up with it?
Say what's up. Today we are doing an updated edge tutorial. If you don't know, we like the Edge sisters. They ain't done, but we the Edge sisters. Okay, so we finna use Style Factor Edge Booster, but they have some new ones. So before we get into the actual tutorial, we finna show you. So these two right here, if my camera will focus. So they have a black and a brown one. This one is usually used for people who don't really have edges, like you kind of got thin edges. Like people who, what's it called? They braiders, like braid hair and stuff like that. They like to do their people's little edges and little squiggles and stuff after they done. This is really good for that.
You want to get that?
Yes, it is. These are really good for that. Cause like the brown one is like brown, so it kind of fills in the little thin spots that they do have. So yeah, this is really good for that. Then next we have the sticks, the actual edge control sticks. These are used for like slick stuff like this, or if you're trying to slick your hair into a ponytail. Sometimes when I'm doing slick backs, I just take it, roll it up and go like that, and then brush it, and then be nice and slick. You know what I'm saying? Licia is gonna use it on her little slick joint right there. Last but not least, we got the Hot Shine. They have other shine ones. I don't know what they are, but I got the Hot Shine one. And this is like a super duper hold, and it doesn't have like a certain scent like the other ones. It just smells like edge control. And then we have, of course, the regular Style Factor Edge Booster. This is the great one. My favorite one is pineapple, strawberry. What are you doing? What are you doing? What is that? What are you doing? And grape is good. Which ones are your favorite?
Pineapple.
That's the one?
Pineapple and strawberry.
Oh, okay. Well, let's just get right into the edges.
So right now I'm using the stick, the pineapple stick edge control, to just brush down the sides that are slicked, and then those are slick. So I'm gonna use the regular grape one.
Oh, hold on, let me zoom in on the edges. Hold on. Wow, so what is your technique?
Just brush them out all the way through, so that the gel goes all the way through, and then just swoop them with my finger.
Wowzers. No, for real, that looks really nice. Oops, sorry. Wow, so you connect them? Sometimes or all the time?
Sometimes.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay. One side.
So like before you slick them, before you slick the back, you pull out your baby hairs so you know what you finna swoop and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
This one don't, I hate this side. I don't ever like to do it.
Yeah, you always got one side to do better than the other.
Because I'll do this side.
Yeah, when you're finished and I'm finished, we have to go outside and take a picture of our edges so it could be a good thumbnail so everybody wants to click on it.
Alright, I'm done.
You don't do your side?
I mean, I do, but I gotta put these back in.
Okay, you can finish your hair.
I'm just putting my bobby pins back in so that they can stay, because it's not gonna stay by itself.
Okay, now give us an edge show real quick. Oh, sorry. Got ahead of myself. Ooh. Oh, nice. Alright, now for my infamous edges. They still kind of,
It's infamous.
Yeah, you know. They still kind of there a little bit from yesterday. But we're gonna redo them. I'm using the Hot Shine, so usually I take a big glob on my finger and I literally just apply it everywhere where I know I'm about to make an edge everywhere. Not an edge, but a swoop, rather. I don't know if you're supposed to do your edges before or after your makeup, but I mean, if my edges turn a little brown, it's okay. I don't really care. If you need to add some more, you can. This is nice and quick, so you have to go back and go back in the jar. Okay. So, I have the little edge brush from the beauty supply store. Alicia had a toothbrush. I like to use the comb part and comb through sometimes because my edges be getting a little frisky. But first I brush down the root and help my finger to guide them, and I pull the rest of the hair back into the fro like that. You see that? Are you getting this? Mm-hmm. Okay. And then for the one under that swoop, I then take the comb and comb it down so you can tell that they're two different separate swoops. See, got the comb making it one swoop, and then pull that down and swoop that into another one, and then swoop that back into the front like that. I like to like pull back these little hairs like right before my little bottom swoop, and just kind of like pull those back a little bit. And then for the bottom swoop, I comb the hair through and then I swoop it like that. Y'all see it? Okay, that's nice. Okay, now for this side, because I have a side part, I'm just gonna swoop all of this way. Now for this one, same thing, comb it, swoop it. Sometimes I like to connect these, sorta, and make them look like they're like cousins, not sisters. Just use my finger to guide everything. Oh, these edges is kind of popping. And then for this corner here, I just swoop all of this together right here, because I don't know, I have like a lot of small hairs in this area, so I just swoop them all together. So take the comb. The comb kind of like puts them in the spot where I'm gonna start to swoop, and then I take the brush side and swoop them. And if it's like a little space between the little swoop, I just go back in with the comb it out like that. And then when you're done the swoop, remember, go back in with the comb and go like that, and it makes it so you know it's just one swoop. Like that. Same thing, comb it down, then swoop it. And then pull back the little pieces before the little end swoop. Comb it. And swoop it. And there you have it. The infamous Lexus hair edges. Get it? Edge cam, are you getting it? Whoa. Voila. Whoa. A little side tip. If it's gonna be cold outside, you'll be just fine with just this. But if it's gonna be hot outside, I take some of the Got To Be Glued, the black gel, and I put it right on the root part of the edges, and I just brush that in with in there with the edges that's already swooped, and then keeps them all day. But if it's cold, your hair is gonna stay. It's gonna be fine. But if you know you're about to sweat, put some extra gel on there. But yeah. Alright guys, that is the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. We are the Edge Sisters. Okay. Can't nobody beat us. It's a challenge. Okay. What you want? Okay. But anyways, shout out to Style Factor for sending me their new edge controls. But they're honestly our favorite edge controls. And then also go subscribe to Alicia's channel. It is Kristen Alicia. I'll just put it in the description box. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned to both of our channels, and happy Thanksgiving. This will be posted after Thanksgiving, but anyways, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. Love you guys, and we will see you later. Peace out. Hello?